Hello all, welcome to Map OG. Today, we are looking into how to import an Excel file into a map with Map OG by taking an Excel file with data of major cities in the world as an example. Let's get started. First, ensure that your Excel data is properly formatted. Each row should represent a single city, with columns for attributes like city name and country. Ensure that your Excel data contains geographic attributes, such as latitude and longitude coordinates, which will enable the GIS software to geocode the data accurately. If your Excel sheet lacks latitude and longitude coordinates, you can use address for geocoding. Now, open Map Analysis interface from Map OG. Let's import the city data into Map OG. Navigate to the Add Upload option and select Upload Excel or CSV file. In Map OG, we can upload files in any of the formats including CSV, XLSX, XLS, and ODS. Click on Browse, Locate, and open your Excel spreadsheet saved in any of the early mentioned formats. Then, click on Upload. In the Location field, we have options to select latitude, longitude, WKT, or addresses as our location information. As our file has location data in latitude, longitude format, select Latitude, Longitude option. Then, select the column headings in the Excel file having latitude and longitude data and proceed to publish. By clicking on Action followed by the Show Data Table option, we can view the attribute table of the map, where we can see that all the data in the Excel sheet have been transferred into the attribute table. We can also do some styling to the map. For this, click on Style Data and select Basic Style. Select the major cities layer and choose a suitable icon for the layer from the given list. Save the changes by clicking on Save Style. Save the map with major city data by clicking on the pencil icon. Enter a suitable name and click on Save Map. Share tool enables you to share the map with your friends or the public. Now we have successfully imported major cities data from Excel into Map OG, which allows for spatial analysis and visualization, aiding in various applications such as demographic studies. Stay tuned on our channel for more videos and explore our more products. Thanks for joining us. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.